Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. So, quick video. I'm modifying another Flycolor 90 ESC for the H17 Hydro, and I wanted to explain how I do it. It's pretty simple, and the reason I do it. This cooling plate only has 2 tubes, so it cools the outside edges only. And here is a heat sink, so that basically takes the heat and dissipates it out. The cooling plate is what's holding the ESC and only cooling on the sides. So the bigger ones have 4 bolts holding the cooling plate and heat sink on. The smaller ones, like the 90, the 50s, and the 70s, have a adhesive. So what you do is you could take yourself a set of pliers and you basically just pry this off a little bit just over here, so you can get a screwdriver in, and you get your screwdriver in and you just pop it right off like so, and you see the adhesive is right there. So then what I do is I kind of actually just leave that all on there, and I take a cooling plate and just lay it on there. But I take some high heat epoxy, tiny bit, you don't need a lot. Now just let it set and it should hold. So that's it guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.